India votes in the first phase of election, there seems to be no stopping politicians from revealing their sexist mindset. This time it is Uddhav Thackeray's close aide and Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction leader and MP Sanjay Raut. Speaking about the battle for Amravati, Sanjay Raut made demeaning and derogatory references to MP Navneet Rana, saying that this fight is not against Balwant Wankhede or Nachaniya dancer and Bubbly. It is a fight between Modi and Maharashtra. Listen in when it comes to such kind of derogatory terminology that has been used against a sitting woman MP.
ही लढाई बळवंत वानखडे आणि ती नाची जी आहे कोणी तिच्याशी नाही आहे, डान्सरशी नाही आहे, बबलीशी नाही आहे. ही लढाई मोदी विरुद्ध महाराष्ट्र आहे, लक्षात घ्या. ही लढाई मोदी विरुद्ध महाराष्ट्र, ही लढाई मोदी विरुद्ध उद्धव ठाकरे, ही लढाई मोदी विरुद्ध शरद पवार, ही लढाई मोदी विरुद्ध राहुल गांधी आहे.
Rakesh, such kind of terminology doesn't need to be used, especially when it comes to making some political points and taking on their opponents. Why is Sanjay Raut using such kind of terminology, and that too against a woman sitting MP?
Yes, definitely. Not just that, he further continues, says that if Navneet Rana makes any affectionate gesture, do not fall for that trap. And he goes on further using some different derogatory words. And remember, Navneet Rana is a sitting member of parliament. She is the representative of lakhs of voters in Amravati, and she is more popular than the candidate who is contesting the election on the Shiv Sena UBT's symbol right now, for whom the Sanjay Raut was present in Amravati and he was giving the speech for. So this is not the first time when Sanjay Raut has used such words for any representative, definitely, and that is why the BJP is protesting against this sexist remarks by Sanjay Raut. In the Dahisar, Mumbai locality, we saw that a lot of women, they came together and they lodged their protest against Sanjay Raut. And not just that, even the Ravi Rana, the sitting MLA and the husband of Navneet Rana, has also reacted to this reaction and said that this is a very low level of politics, and this is not just the this is not just against Navneet Rana or the women of the country, but this is also against derogatory statement against all the artists as well. But the more unfortunate or sad state of affair is that Sanjay Raut is still standing by his statement. He is not seeking any apology for his statement.
Sanjay Raut continues to remain unapologetic, using such sexist and demeaning terminology, and that too against a sitting woman MP. Let's listen in exactly what he had said.
ही लढाई बळवंत वानखडे आणि ती नाची जी आहे कोणी तिच्याशी नाही आहे, डान्सरशी नाही आहे, बबलीशी नाही आहे. ही लढाई मोदी विरुद्ध महाराष्ट्र आहे, लक्षात घ्या. ही लढाई मोदी विरुद्ध महाराष्ट्र, ही लढाई मोदी विरुद्ध उद्धव ठाकरे, ही लढाई मोदी विरुद्ध शरद पवार, ही लढाई मोदी विरुद्ध राहुल गांधी आहे.